Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani and we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I washed my hair with some black soap, and I will link that down in the description box below because it is on my Amazon storefront. I just wanted to show you all how my hair looks right when it's been washed. I don't have any product in my hair right now, but I know you can see some buildup around my scalp area. It is what it is. But I'm going to start by taking some aloe vera juice and some water. I spray that on a section of my lock, and then I take some olive oil, and then since my hair is saturated enough, I can separate it with my fingers. And then I take a small rat tail comb, and I just comb through the top just to make sure that my hair doesn't have any tangles in it, and I start to palm roll. And after I get done palm rolling, I'm just going to clip that lock to my shirt so it doesn't roll around and unravel. And then I'm just going to repeat this around my entire head. As you can see, separating your locks is not always easy. I feel like it looks so easy on YouTube tutorials, but when it comes to my hair, it's gonna hurt. It's always gonna hurt. I don't know why. I'm just tender-headed. And you can see that after I palm roll this one, I clip it to the initial lock, and I'm also going to link my clips down below because those are also on my Amazon storefront. So I'm gonna speed these clips up and finish this section, and I will show you guys when I get done. So this is about 2 days after I originally retwisted my hair, and I just feel like this is proof that you can use water and oil to retwist your hair and you don't really need heavy products. I was about to go out, so I had to put my little sunglasses on. But yes, this was it. Everything is going to be in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed.